Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates in video production. Video templates are fantastic tools that provide a pre-built framework for your projects, allowing you to create professional-looking content with ease. They come with preset animations, transitions, and layouts, which means you don't have to start from scratch. This guide will help you understand how to leverage these powerful resources to produce high-quality videos efficiently, saving you valuable time and effort in the creative process. Selecting the right template is a crucial first step. Think about your video's objective, whether it's for social media, a business presentation, or a personal project. Evaluate the template's style, color scheme, and overall mood to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand or personal vision. Many platforms offer filters to help you narrow down choices by category, such as intros, outros, or promotional videos, making your selection process much smoother and more targeted. Once you've chosen a template, the fun part begins: customization. Start by replacing all the placeholder text with your own engaging content. Next, upload your personal media, including photos, video footage, and background music, to make the template truly yours. Don't forget to adjust the colors and fonts to match your brand identity or desired aesthetic. Most templates offer extensive options for tweaking elements, allowing for hundreds of unique combinations to achieve your perfect video. After customizing, it's time to finalize and share your masterpiece. Always preview your video several times to ensure everything looks perfect and there are no errors. When you're satisfied, proceed to export your video, typically in a high-definition format such as MP4, which is widely compatible. Select the optimal resolution and frame rate for your intended platform, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or your company website. Finally, share your polished video with your audience and enjoy the impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.